Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Did you know you can create batch transfer deliveries in one click in Odoo? Introducing Auto-Fetching Deliveries in Batch Transfer Odoo module. Using this module, you can automatically fetch a designated number of shipping orders, sorted via scheduled dates and prepared using box numbers for greater categorization. Let's see how you can set up this module. We will start by installing the module. This can be found in Odoo apps with the name Auto-Fetching Deliveries in Batch Transfer. Now let's see how to use it. Go the Inventory app and then under the Operations. Click on the option for Batch Transfers. We see all your records here. Let's create a new record. To create new record, click on New. And fill all the necessary details such as responsible person, operation type. Here if we select the operation type as receipts, it will not work, since the module is for delivery orders. Schedule date and order size, then click on Add Orders. You can see that orders are been added. That's it about this module. Thanks for watching this video.